Hey, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about the trade that we took yesterday, the trade that I've shared with everybody for free in my free Telegram channel. If you're not inside yet, make sure to check the links in the description down below. And if you need my advice, if you need my help, guys, you can always drop me a private message on Telegram as well. You will find the links in the description down below, okay? So yesterday was a lovely day, guys. Let me show you the results real quick. So yesterday, guys, I was able to make another 4.2%. Yeah, the first trade got stopped out. The second trade, I was loading it up a little bit and was able to, finish that day with a beautiful profit of 4%, which is amazing. Overall, last week and this week, we more than 13.5% up. The whole last month plus my trading session yesterday, more than 50%, man. This is ridiculous. If I go back to the beginning of the year, we are up 147%, nearly 148% profit. I started this account. I started this account in December. Fresh with $1 million. Deposit, and yeah, we up more than 147%. Man, this is amazing, guys. I'm so happy. This trading year so far, really amazing. Just amazing, guys. We are killing it nearly every week, man. It's crazy. And yeah, let's talk about yesterday's trading session, guys, because it was another profitable session. And I want to talk about it, guys. Let me show you what was happening yesterday. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. All right, let's get into the charts, guys. Let me show you what was happening yesterday. So first of all, we have Friday's high in here, and yeah, the market was straight pushing above Friday's high, and I expected like a reversal after that. I wanted to see that Friday's low gets taken out as well, that the market maybe bounced back to 14,500 and maybe more than that. My first profit target, I still have an alert here, was 14,500. I thought like we're gonna trick some buys into the market, then market reverse, and stop them all out somewhere in this area in here. I have 3 alerts for my targets where I would have taken profits on my first position, but the market had other ideas, guys. Let me show you on the smaller time frame what was happening in here yesterday. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame, and so as you can see, the market was pushing above Friday's high. This is Friday's high. Was pushing above, and then I said, everybody, I want to see confirmation on a smaller time frame. And yeah, as you can see, the market broke structure to the downside clearly, and on the pullback I got in, but yeah, it was just ranging after that, and then I got stopped out after holding this thing for I got in at around 10 o'clock New York time. Yeah, I was holding this thing for nearly an hour, and then it stopped me out. And yeah, but anyways, I gave it another chance. First entry was a little bit aggressive. I thought like this is the break of structure in here, so I stepped into the game in here, but I gave it some air to breathe because I expected the market to maybe wiggle around a little bit, so I gave it some wiggle room. And later on, I was loading it up again. I got in again in here. I was even moving my stop a little bit higher to give it a little bit more wiggle room, and I was loading it up. And then finally at around 1 p.m. the market finally started to drop for the late New York session and got down I took my first profits at around 14,580, somewhere in this area. Whoa. This blossom from the trees make me crazy, man. So I took first profits at around 14,580, somewhere in this area over here. And then later on, I decided to close the rest of my position, the other 20%. I closed 80% in here, and then I closed the other 20% in here. I was not willing to hold this thing any longer because my trading session was already more than 5 hours, which is not my style of trading. I'm very impatient. I like to be in and out quick, make my money in the first 1 or 2 hours of the New York session, but sometimes it doesn't work. Then I stay for the late session and try to get some money, and yeah, yesterday it worked out pretty well. I mean, man, if I would have holded that thing a little longer, this would have been like a really big trade, because I was good loaded up on that one. I think we would have easily made another 150, maybe 200 grand more than that. But yeah, I was not willing to hold through it. I had enough for that day. I was in front of the charts 5 hours. I just wanted to close my books and relax my mind and enjoy my evening, you know. So yeah, that was pretty much the trade, guys. I hope some of you have banked on these trades as well. It was not so easy yesterday. We needed a little bit of patience. This thing was dropping late New York. Sometimes, yeah, it is like that. We cannot do anything about it. But I hope some of you have banked on these trades as well. I hope some of you have been able to load it up on the second trade, man. Made some big money. And yeah, I will keep you updated. Let's see what we got for today, guys. I hope that we're gonna make some money today. I think we're gonna see some more downward pressure before the market will continue to move higher. Maybe we're gonna see the reversal to the upside after a drop today or maybe tomorrow. Let's see. I will give my best to find the rhythm of the market, move with the flow, and yeah, make some money, guys. That's what we do. And that's it for today, guys. I will keep you updated if I got something. Make sure to join my free Telegram channel. And if you need my help, you can drop me a private message in Telegram as well. Check the links down below in the description. And I wish you a lovely day, lovely sunny day. Stay healthy, wealthy. I wish you a great time, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Peace. When you